Alright boys, let's be real. You want good hair, right? You want that I didn't even try but my hair looks amazing vibe. But you are probably messing it up without even realizing it. So today I'm calling out 10 hair mistakes that are secretly destroying your hair. And trust me, I used to make half of these myself. Let's get straight into it. Washing your hair every day. First mistake, washing your hair every single day like it's a chore. Bro, your hair needs natural oils to stay healthy and shiny. If you are stripping them out daily, no wonder your hair looks dry and frizzy. Solution? Wash it 2 to 3 times a week using cheap, harsh shampoo. Number 2. Using that $1 shampoo from the store. If your shampoo feels like dish soap, guess what? It probably is as harsh as a dish soap. For this, get a sulfate-free, gentle shampoo. If you got dandruff, go for zinc or tea tree based shampoo. Skipping conditioner. Mistake 3. Never using conditioner. Conditioner isn't just for girls, man. It smooths out your hair, makes it soft and prevents breakage. Use it after shampoo every single time. Your hair will thank you. Towel drying like you're fighting a bear. Number 4. Vigorously rubbing your hair with a towel like you are mad at it. You are literally breaking your hair strands. Pat it dry gently or use a microfiber towel. Treat your hair like it's worth $1 million because it kinda is. Using way too much heat. Fifth mistake is blow drying on hellfire mode. You think you're styling, but really you are cooking your hair. Absolutely cooking it. If you're gonna use a dryer, use medium heat or cold wind and keep it moving. Don't fry one spot for too long. Never using heat protection. Speaking of heat, not using heat protection spray before blow drying is like walking in the sun without sunscreen. Grab a heat protectant, super cheap but saves your hair from frying. Wrong hair products for your type. 7. Using the wrong hair product. Thick hair, you probably don't need a heavy wax. Thin hair, stay away from greasy pomades that weigh it down. Figure out your hair type, thin, thick, wavy, and choose products that actually help. Neglecting your scalp. Mistake 8. Ignoring the scalp. Healthy hair starts from the root. If your scalp's unhealthy, your hair will be weak, thin, or just fall out. Once a week, massage the scalp. Use light oils like argan or jojoba. Bonus, it feels amazing. Bad diet equals to bad hair. Number 9. Eating trash and expecting good hair. Your hair needs proteins, vitamins, and good fats. Junk food isn't gonna cut it. Add eggs, fish, nuts, leafy greens, fruits to your diet. You will see the difference. Not getting regular haircuts. Final mistake. Never trimming your hair because you are growing it out. Guys, even if you are growing it out, you need regular trims to keep it healthy and safe. Go to your barber every 4 to 6 weeks for a tiny trim to cut split ends and keep that shape. Alright, so that's 10 mistakes that are literally ruining your hair, and trust me, if you fix even half of these, your hair will look way better and feel way better in just a few weeks. Comment below which mistakes you were making and be honest. And hey, if you are trying to glow up completely, check out my other videos such as how to grow hair out like a pro or how to get a proper buzz cut. I'll link it right here on the screen. Smash that like button and subscribe if you wanna keep leveling up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.